love these mini caps, and whilst I normally have them raw, today I'm going to use them in a bake, which is a beautiful little side dish or an entree. And these are really nice and sweet once they're baked. So this is super easy, but very yummy. Now, I'm going to start by using some baking paper. Let's give it a nice scrunch so it sits in the tray nicely. So these mini caps are a really nice variety of colours, and you know when you're eating a wide range of coloured veggies that you're supporting the bugs in your gut, you're nourishing your gut health, which is really important. We now know for mood and also for weight management. So I'm just going to add some really simple flavours on top of this. So a nice generous glug of olive oil. What goes with olive oil? Always balsamic vinegar. So I'm just going to give this a nice drizzle. The beautiful thing about these, they look a little bit like chilies, I know, and that might put you off, but they're really quite sweet. And my kids love having this in their lunchbox. I'll often slice these up and pop them in. I'm going to put some nice salt flakes on top and a good twist of pepper. Now this is going to go into the oven 200 degrees for 15 minutes. I want these mini caps to be blistered, collapsing, and then we're ready to go. How good do these look? You can actually smell the sweetness of the mini cap with the balsamic vinegar. All I like to do at the end here is just to break off some goat's cheese and just nestle it in amongst these mini caps. So you can imagine putting this on the table and people can load up their bread with a mini capsicum, dip into that olive oil and balsamic vinegar, and that is the perfect starter.